How to fix Pinterest long loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest long loading on Android phone. First, open Play Store and then check if there is any update for Pinterest and click update, and that can fix your problem easily. But if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here type Pinterest and click on it, and as you see here you will find Pinterest settings. Now click force stop and then click storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Just restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.